Hello everybody, doing a fourth Godot stream. I made like a good chunk of a progress after I ended the stream because I did a little bit more and I figured out some stuff. I didn't go too far beyond that point. So I want to try and keep these videos short, like no more than 30 minutes. I still fucked that up. 20 minutes would be perfect, but whatever. Open this up. I gotta get the chat open. I'm gonna try my phone again. Maybe it'll work this time. Fucking piece of crap. Alright. Bam. Alright, let's see here. That's cool shit. Super cool shit. Uh, I guess I'll just hit play, I guess. Um, as you can see, it's not rotating, but I can, reset that. Hang on. There we go. As you can see, it's spinning like normal. I just forgot to default it. And I got the public variables set up too, so I can turn that off. And I can also reset the position. And the position can't get reset because it's not, I haven't done that yet for the position to change. But I can reset the rotation. And you can rotate it on all axes, like my previous script in Unity. You can also mix and match these, and it just starts going all over the place. You can turn them off mid-rotation. And then you can reset it. But this is the default state right there. You can also speed it up. So, like 0.5. I think you have to hit enter. Yeah, 0.5. Whee! Just hit reset. And there's a built-in reset for the speed variable. Anytime you change it, you can just hit the little reset button. So I don't actually need to make a reset for that because it already has one. So now, what I need to do is I need to make the individual cubes in this, I guess, spiral tower. Oh my god, this phone is so fucking garbage. I want to punch it. Come the fuck on, dude. Jesus. Fucking trash. I'm gonna think just like cave in and get the fucking the chat thing because this is getting ridiculous. Where is it, chat? Give me that. Fucking stupid. I always miss comments because of this stupid shit. Anyways, I got the chat there and I got it on my. Can I pin this? I'm gonna pin it. Where is it? There we go. Problem solved. Wasn't there like a multi-view? Wish I could dock this. Well, whatever. We don't need this anymore. We turn that off. Take this and put that there. For now, I'm going to have to upgrade and get a better way to see chat because this phone is completely fucking unreliable. All right. try again. I'm not sure what this is. Basis. I think that did work. That's just old. And I was referencing the thing wrong. Where is it? With a money sign? Hang on, I have a theory. So if QB's level 1 is money sign, quotes, dot, would the first cube be money sign, dot, dot? 2 dots? No, it's just untitled. Huh. That's weird. So then what would the second one be? Titled. Interesting. What would the root be? Well, the root's dot dot. They must have changed it. So the money sign does work. You just type in if it's a root node or not. After two dots, it starts going by name. So would this also be a dot? No, it's dot dot world environment. Well, then why is QB's just dot? See, that world environment, that makes sense. Dot dot and then world environment. But QB's being just a dot makes no sense to me. Dot 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 dot. This can be camera dot dot. Does this not have a name? Is it missing like a tag or something? I don't get why it's just dot. That's what's confusing me. Because even the children have names. The fucking node doesn't have anything. Nothing. Sub-resource. Rename. See, well, it has no spaces. It's named the same way. Double caps. It's the same name. Access as unique name. I don't know what that is. I don't really want to click it. I'm going to click it. That's okay. Okay. I like that better, to be honest, because then it's less confusing. I think that broke my code, though. No, it didn't. It's right there. Cool. It's weird that I have to do it for that. I just know you can access from within anywhere in the scene by preceding it with the percent prefix in a node patch. Path. Click to disable this. No, I want that anywhere in the scene. Yes. That's like the level that you jump around on and stuff. 3D view. Boop, boop, boop. Wow, wow. Alright, QB's level 1. I need to name these. Where's the name at? Right here. Cube. Yeah, it doesn't seem to care about things with the same name, so that's kind of cool. I'm gonna make 02. Cube is level 1, then cube 01, and then I can use that same naming system for other cubies. What's the date? Wow. Thursday. Okay, well, there's 3 days left in the month. That's good. Ah, sorry about that. I spilled something. Um. Okay, I guess we'll just use the same script. I need to rename it because it says rotate test, and that's a horrible. Um. Vector test. No. I could just leave it as rotate test and put another script in here. Oh, my eyeballs. How do I add? Can I add more than one script? Script. Yeah, looks like it. So rotate test, and we'll have a transform test. I'll just make another script. Fuck it. Alright, function ready. Take all this shit. Back here, we're gonna just copy all of these, and we're gonna have to delete some of it because I don't. Some of these are wrong. Some of these are rotated, focused. Reset position, reset rotation. I guess we don't need that anymore. Let me get rid of it. Reset rotation. You can keep those. I don't know. I'll keep my notes. I like notes. Notes are good. So rotation amount should be wait, what? Did I fuck up? Don't see right here. See, rotation speed equal rotation amount times, but oh, that's because there's private right here. Rotation speed. That's what was fucking me up. What the hell just happened? I'm trying to delete this. Why is it having a fucking cow? Oh, I just moved. Okay, I see. Freak me the fuck out. Yeah, we don't need this anymore. But yeah, GD script is definitely easier to learn than Unity because everything uses the var variable, which was much easier. If I'd known that when I was doing Unity, it would have been a lot easier for me because I was having trouble putting stuff inside variables, and I didn't know you had to like match it up. Like if you want to make a variable, essentially a box to put something in, it had to match and you had to declare it. So if I wanted to make a variable that contained a vector 3, I had to make the variable start with vector 3 and then the name of the variable box equals the vector 3. It's redundant and that's confusing. Uh, whereas like integers, floats, and all that stuff, while you are declaring them, the equal part doesn't, you don't say float again. You don't go float, name of the variable equals float, and then you type in the float number, the decimal, right? You don't do that. You do that for the vector though. You do vector 3, the variable name equals vector 3. That is completely, like, that's confusing as shit because you have to type vector 3 again. It should just, it would have made more sense if it was just a fucking coordinate and within parentheses. You didn't need to declare it and just have the raw numbers. And then it was too little too late. I'd already learned it all. And then I found out about var way fucking later, which is just like a default variable that can accept pretty much anything. It becomes the thing that it equals, which is much easier to work with. Now, although in C# Unity, you're probably going to want to just use the basic variables as they are, so like int, float, and bools. Just leave those alone. You don't need to declare var for that. You can just leave those alone. Those are self-explanatory. Those ones are easy. But I like GDScript. I like this var. Everything's a var. It's very nice. Anyways, reset rotation. Man, fucking oxygen. What is oxygen? Jesus Christ. Rotation amount, movement amount. Okay, that's what's confusing me. Let's get rid of that. Okay. Default position. Don't need that. Don't need that. And then go back to here. Rotation amount. Don't need it, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut that. Paste that. Default rotation, get rid of that. Get rid of that. Just put move speed here. Show cube node, don't need this. And then go down here, copy all of the main stuff right here. Copy all that. Nope. Don't need a double pass. I like that too. The syntax. I like it more. Because it has like it just says instead of the semicolon bracket shit that gets mixed. Like I fucked up brackets and semicolons all the fucking time. So it's a lot cleaner with GDScript. Like overall, this is way more beginner friendly. Like it just looks better, especially for beginners. Don't have to worry about fucking brackets every fucking where. You could just type in pass. Like the pass is your bracket system. That's much easier to see. I like it a lot. I mean, it has the indents, but those are kind of like automatic. Those are like bullets, which I think that's easier to understand than multiple layers of brackets. So let's change this to move speed. And then I'm going to have to make an array so that each cube is inside the array, and you have to select either randomly. You have to select some of these either one at a time, randomly, three at a time, whatever. However you want to select them, they need to be selected in some manner, and it needs to be through an array because I want it to be flexible. I don't want to have these same 3 lines of code running on every single cube because that's not efficient and I don't like that and it sucks. So we're going to keep these same 3 things, but instead of cube node being just one cube, it's going to be an array of cubes. And it will move accordingly to the current selected cube, ideally. Like this, because move speed equal movement amount times butt. And I think we're going to have to shrink this a little bit. There we go. Bam. How much time we got? 20 minutes. Maybe do 5 more minutes. At least maybe see a cube move. That's the ideal. cube node var child parent. That's fine. Move speed default position. Var movement amount, move speed. Alright, everything in here looks good, but if something's fucked up. Alright, here, right here, reset rot. This should be reset position. Fuck. Default position. Should fix it. Move speed equal movement amount times, but not sure why that's not working. Move speed, movement amount, movement amount. Really, this should be a capital A. Oh, that's because it's a new script. That's why. What? No, wait. This is a different script, so I'm gonna call it Cheeks because it's funny. I have an immature sense of humor. So this function's called Cheeks, which is for the movement of the individual cubes. So all these cubes are gonna be moved by the script, and it's gonna use the function Cheeks, and the movement speed is determined by the movement amount times Cheeks. That's funny as shit. That's so stupid. So, just to prevent some confusion here, you wouldn't name this Cheeks, you would name it like Cube Movement or Cube Mob or something like that. I'm just being immature and stupid because it's funny. Alright, so that should do that. So now I need to make the cube node different. This right here, get node, I need to make this more dynamic. So I think a string is what we're going to want. I think random string. I want to do random, so we're going to do var cube string. And then I need to make an array. I don't actually know how to make an array on here. How much time are we running up? 23 minutes. God, it's so hard to do stuff in 20 minutes. Oh my god. I mean, I did a lot, but I can't do like the whole thing. I want to do, we're going to just do 30. Fuck it. Alright. So I don't know how to do an array on here. Normally you'd use brackets and Unity C#. So I'm gonna look up. Hang on. Let me see here. Godot array. Oh wow, that's pretty simple. I like this. Oh my god, I like this so much. Oh my god. Look at that. That's so awesome. And then we'll do function ready, var array. I'm gonna call it cube string, and then we're gonna have the names of all of our cubes in here because that's fucking awesome. Cube 01. Hang on, dot slash cubies. So if I did it like a extra slash, I guess I wouldn't need to. I could just drag it in. No, does that count as a string though? It is green. Hang on, can I put that in there? I'll do that. What? You can do that? What? No, no. We're gonna try it. So basically, what I'm doing, I'm just dragging the literal cubes into the string variable here. Like I'm literally dragging them from the the 3D list, like the 3D list. So I'm clicking these and I'm dragging them into my string variable. I don't know if this is gonna work. I hope it does. It's getting awful chunky though, because each one's an extra layer. There's probably a better, cleaner way to do this. I'm just being lazy. Oh my god, it just keeps going. And I like, yeah, cool. Yeah, I gotta hit a space on that. This is gonna get messy if I don't. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And enter again. 6 is gonna take up a lot of space. So basically, each one's a string path. In theory, I should just be able to put cube string in here without any problem. That should work, because get node accepts green. Like, I think you could just drag a green and it accepts it with no quotes. Oh, well, never mind. Target one should be node path, but is node. Alright, I forgot how to do this, dude. QBs equals cube node. Oh! You just make it equal the thing? Okay, I see. So... cube string. That seems to work. Actually, I could make this a lot easier if I make a random. Where is it? I need some math. All I gotta do is randomize cube string and then take the random script that's randomizing cube string and then plug that into the that's the wrong menu. The cube node. Because the random is just gonna output the cube string anyways. Ah. Where's the math? Might be faster just to type in random. Yeah, I'm just gonna type in random. Random. Range, random f, range. Float, int, randomize. I don't really want. Can I do an int? I could probably do an int, but I don't think that's gonna work. I don't really want to. I don't know if I want to do that. I'm using strings here. I could just do a random number generator and then check the number, and then if that number equals whatever, then the corresponding string is selected. I could do that. That's annoying, and I'm gonna have to make another function because that's, yeah, we're just gonna make another function because I'm running out of time. I'd like to keep these short. I'm gonna copy cheeks. And what should I call this? Discord, I guess. I don't know. That's lame. I don't know, Fangies. I'm trying to think of something funny. that's also not going to get me in trouble. Poo-poo. I'm gonna go poo-poo. Pass, give me this. Shit, no, I still need that. Oops. Delete that. Fuck! Stop it! There's a space in between. I want 2 spaces, though. There we go. Standalone letters cannot be accessed. Consider assigning it to a variable. Function process. Do I just get rid of this? Function poo-poo. How do I make a function? Besides the 2 that I already have. Because we got, like, update method. This is what this is. This is update method. And this is start method. But I want to make my own method. I don't know how to do that. No, it's none of those. That'd take forever. Private void, do something, node, 2D node, blah, 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 blah. I want to add my own methods to a student class like object. Doesn't look like you can do that. Oh, clock is running up. It's running up to 30 minutes now. We're to 30 minutes now from now on. 30 to 45 minutes from now on. 20 is just too damn short. Oh, here we go. Function. Blah, 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 blah. I don't know what I'm doing. Function. Function RPC list function name for ID in list RPC ID function name. My hands are cold. This is pretty handy though. I don't want to make a big mess in one script. So let me look at my script because I don't think I have an extend on there. Extends. Well, no, it does have extends. What the hell? When was this posted? 2022? 2021. Hmm. Alright, that's a little bit kind of beyond the purview of 45 minutes. Um, so instead, I'm just going to have to either reference it through another script. So like I have to get the data from like externally using like a daisy chain of scripts, or just dump it all in here. We already have our strings though, so it's not. I don't know. Cube node equals string. Shit. Alright, so we're gonna randomize one. We're gonna randomize once on start, maybe? That just seems so redundant, and I hate that. I resent it. Alright, we're gonna have to change this. This ain't gonna work. Give it a deposition. Fuck. But we also need default positions for each cube. Fuck! I didn't think this through very well. Each cube needs to be able to reset as well. Alright, I'm gonna have to brute force it a little bit. So instead of... We're gonna have to have an identity for each cube because I need the default positions. Cube 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, cube 6 equal. Stop it, you dick bag. This. We'll create like a list or something that will incorporate all these variables. Cube 1. We're gonna get rid of string for right now. Bar cube 2. Can I like do like a multi thing? Cube 2, cube 3, cube 5, cube 6, bar. Yes, see if that does anything. Ah, shit. Alright, well, that sucks. Maybe I could just do an array. Can I do an array? I'll try an array. Cube array equal, and then cube 1, cube 2. Can I do that? Can I do that? I don't even know if I can do that. It looks like it's working. Well, I'm going to continue because it looks like it's working. I want an array of variable names. Oh, I shouldn't put space on that. That's a bad idea. 6. See that? Alright, well, it looks like it accepted it. That's pretty cool. So now, I can change this to cube array, and then cube array dot 1 is it 0? Hang on, no, I did that wrong. Cube array 0 equal this. Delete these. I want to make sure that worked. It looked like that worked. Sweet. cube array 1 equal 2. Oh, that's gonna look hideous. 2 equal. I don't know why that's not working. Default position equal cube. We're gonna just. Why is that not working? This one worked. Did I spell it wrong? Cube array 1. Oh, there's no indent. That's why. I should fix it. Bam. Ah, what? Array cube 1 not declared in the current scope. Cube array. If I do like equal, maybe I should do, well, no, because it needs to be, hang on, what I'll do is I'll declare it up here, because it needs to be a class variable. Then we'll go down here, and we'll have it be that. Come on, declare it. Fuck! Ah, fuck it. Fuck it. Var cube 1, var cube 2, var cube 3, var cube 4, cube 5, var cube 6. Can I do that? Does that work? There we go. Alright. Fuck it. We're just gonna make a bunch of fucking cubes. Fuck it. Cube array 3 equals that. The reason why cube array 3 equals cube 4, and the reason why array 2 equals cube 3 is because every array, apparently in C# and GD script, the very first data point of an array is 0. So the first thing in your list is always 0. It's very confusing, I know. I learned that the hard way. I mean, you could make a dummy. You could be like the first thing in your list is null. So 0 would be null. And then the first thing, like I could do, go back here and I could do var null. I don't know why you would do this. It's not necessary. Oh, well, that's already taken. Var null. We'll just do null var. How about that? And then I could go here and I could do null var. And then I could do cube array 0, and then it would equal null var. And then then we can actually have each number correspond the actual number of the cubes. So now cube 1 is array 1, cube 2 is array 2. So you could do it that way. And then 6 is 6. And then default position, we'll bring that back. That needs to be, I think default position also needs to be an array. Default position, array. Actually, we'll just leave it like that. And we'll have it equal. I'm not sure how to do that. Because it needs to contain. Oh, I know. It needs to contain cube array itself. That's what I need to do. Default position is going to equal cube array 0 dot position Does it accept that? It looks like it does. So now I gotta do that for every cube. We want all the positions inside here. Actually, we don't want 0. We're gonna skip null. Null is not gonna not be a part of it. 3. This is getting too long. So I'm gonna add a line here. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Uh-oh. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Slow down, Billy. Bam. Alright, so now we have all the positions. Then we could pass the default positions. So default position for cube 1 equals default position cube array.1.position 1 equals itself. Can I do that? I guess it already has the default position, but I need to declare it. Do I need to declare? Is it already declared? I don't know if that counts. I think I already have it. I think it's already done. Because the array equals those positions already. I think it's already done. I don't think I need to do that. Alright, now if we print position equal true, default position equal default position. Seems about right. Equals itself, which is all the equals. So everything in the array might update at the same time. I'm not sure though. I'm assuming. Oh my god, 50 minutes. Jesus. Cube node basis. Alright, well, fuck it. Alright, well, I wasn't fast enough. I'm just gonna end it here. This is taking too long. I guess next time I do this, it'll probably be done. Because the only thing left I have to do now is make a random number generator that randomly selects one of the arrays of the cube array, and then in the if vector section, the cube node, instead of cube node.basis, is going to be cube node, our random node, and then whatever number it shits out dot basis, and then that will correspond to the cube in the array. And it should work the next time I stream. If it don't work next time I stream, well then I'll try to fix it on stream and just keep on trucking, I guess. Anyways, bye.